Hello guys and welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Tzachi, and in my channel you will find reviews of new and vintage Apple products. In today's video I will compare between the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which was announced in September 2021, to last year's iPhone 12 Pro Max. Today's review is divided into several parts: its design, technological changes, comparison of their cameras, and the main question, whether the changes that Apple has made on the iPhone 13 Pro Max are really so significant ones that justify upgrading your iPhone 12 or 11 Pro right now. If you have iPhones which are less than the 11 Pro, I recommend that you upgrade, as you will definitely feel the improvement. Just before I begin, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. That way you will receive updates about future videos. I really appreciate it. So let's dive in. The first part is its design. The main change between their design is the size of the camera. You can clearly see from every possible angle that the new lens is much bigger. The weight of the iPhone 13 is a little heavier, but fear not, it's not something you need to go to the gym for. If you look at the side, you can see that the buttons are slightly higher as the SIM card is. The microphone moved higher up in the notch. Pay attention that you buy an iPhone 13 screensaver because the 12 doesn't fit, as it covers the microphones. Another thing, the size of its notch is smaller, but not something that changes the way images are viewed. Speaking of the notch, in my previous video I mentioned that I believe this is one more step taken by Apple towards a full screen, probably in 2 years' time. I will attach a link to this video at the end. The second part is about its technological changes. The most talked about change is the new ProMotion 120Hz screen. Let's see if we can find differences between the two. So, as you can see with my professional camera in slow motion, you can clearly see that the iPhone 13 has smoother picture, but on the other hand, you will not really feel the difference when using it on a daily basis. And now for the battery. No doubt, the battery life is far better. I upgraded from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the 13 Pro Max, and for the first time I felt that Apple has made a real change, one which I don't remember from any previous model. Apple claims that the screen's clarity has also been upgraded. So let's see. Both phones are on maximum clarity. You can see that the differences are hard to notice. The next upgrade are for those who love to hear music. One of the changes that Apple mentions in its last event is that they improve the quality of the speakers. So let's check. You can clearly hear that the quality is better on the iPhone 13. Just before I skip to the part in which I discuss the camera, I would really like to know which changes make you upgrade to a new iPhone. So write me a comment below. And now let's talk about the camera. It's no secret that the camera has become one of the main issues for us users. In last few years, Apple has identified this need, and you can see that from the iPhone X, Apple emphasized the issue of the camera in their event. Apple improved almost every parameter in its front and back camera. The main two improvements which don't exist in the 12 Pro are the cinematic video and the second, the ProRes video up to 4K, which are available only from iOS 15.1. And now decide for yourselves whether these changes are felt.
אני ואתה נשנה את העולם, אני ואתה אז יבואו כולם. זה קודם, לפניי, זה לא משנה. אני ואתה נשנה את העולם. אני ואתה ננסה מההתחלה. יהיה לנו רע, אין דבר, זה לא נורא. אמרו את זה קודם, לפניי, זה לא משנה. אני ואתה נשנה את העולם.
Last but not least, the question remains, should you upgrade? I am one of those Apple freaks who upgrade their iPhone every year, no matter what changes are made. But if the improvements are a key factor to whether you will upgrade, I will be honest with you. The biggest change between both iPhones is the battery life. Other than this, you will not find significant changes which are felt in the daily use. Not something you can say, wow, wow, wow. That's all for today. I really hope I succeed in helping you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For any questions regarding this video, you are welcome to write in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.